Hi, and welcome to this course on diversity at the workplace. This is part of our series of courses on HR analytics fundamentals. In this course, we will talk about workplace diversity, which has become a common topic of conversation amongst employers, hiring managers, and recruitment professionals. However, in our view, diversity and inclusion are massively important topics, and these are much more than just a hiring fad. In fact, over the years, it has become a case of not just simply factoring in age, gender, and race, but rather about hiring from a wide range of people, which ultimately results in adding value not just to the employee experience, but overall the business as a whole. It is this appreciation of the kind of value that having a diverse workplace brings in that has led to business leaders actually now seeing that encouraging diversity in their workplace has not just intangible but several tangible benefits. So in this course, I will touch upon various aspects of diversity. We will spend a little bit of time talking about equality, diversity, and inclusion as concepts. We'll also talk a little bit about some of the common challenges that you may face in implementing a diversity pro policy in your organization. And finally, at the end of this course, we will work with some real life like Excel data and see how HR analytics can support diversity in the workplace. So without further ado, let's get started.